Like an image search, but for your 3D components, Vault Duplicate Search smartly compares 3D shapes within the thousands of CAD files that you have within your database. You know you can reduce design and development time by reusing existing parts, but finding an appropriate part in your database can be challenging when you only have a file name or some metadata to search on. Duplicate parts in your engineering supply chain can cost your company thousands of dollars in redundant design, documentation, approval, release, and data management rework. Duplicate Search in Autodesk Vault Professional is a new subscription feature that helps you to reveal where duplicate parts exist in your designs, to save you time and money and increase standardization across your company. In this example, we can see a new design that's not yet been checked into Vault. As we run a duplicate search, Vault is queried for components that match the geometry of our existing design. If we see a part that looks like a good match, we can replace the part within our designs with an existing file from Vault. When we're confident that we're not introducing new duplicates to Vault, we can check the design in. As we check in the design, Vault will scan the new parts we've introduced and add them to the duplicate index. But how can we detect existing duplicates in Vault? The new duplicates dashboard gives us an overview of the number of potential duplicates we have in our Vault. We can now create a duplicate report and begin assessing how we can add value to our business by removing duplicates from the database. Duplicate Search in Autodesk Vault Professional helps you to reduce design time and downstream part management costs to your company by allowing you to search your Vault for matching 3D shapes.